Imagine laying out hundreds of points on a construction site with pinpoint accuracy in a fraction of the time. That's exactly what the Recon Tools P1L Tagger construction printer delivers. This isn't your average marker. It's a robotic printer for construction. Think about marking anchor bolt locations, electrical boxes, or plumbing fixtures directly onto concrete or subfloors with laser-guided precision. Forget tangled string lines and messy chalk. This tool prints directly onto surfaces, drastically speeding up the layout and minimizing errors. It's like having a super precise, tireless assistant for all your layout needs. If you're in construction, this tool is a serious time saver and a game changer for accuracy. It's the future of job site layout right here. Working with vehicle struts and springs can be seriously dangerous if you're not using the right equipment. Enter the Orion Motortech Hydraulic Strut Spring Compressor. This beast takes the danger and the struggle out of strut replacement. Using hydraulic power, it safely and efficiently compresses those powerful springs, giving you the clearance you need to swap out struts like a pro. No more sketchy DIY spring compressors that make you sweat bullets. This tool provides controlled, consistent pressure, minimizing the risk of spring slippage or injury. If you're a serious DIY mechanic or run a shop, investing in a quality strut compressor like this is an absolute no-brainer for safety and efficiency. It's the peace of mind you need when tackling suspension jobs. How often do you reach for multiple tools just to measure, draw circles, or find angles? The MakerPi Tiraler throws all those separate tools into one ridiculously clever design. This isn't just a ruler, it's a compass, a protractor, and a straight edge, all ingeniously folded into a pocket-sized package. Need to draw a perfect circle? Done. Need to measure an angle? Easy. Need a precise straight line? Of course. Its innovative design lets you switch between functions smoothly and accurately. For designers, hobbyists, and anyone who values precision and versatility in a compact form, the Tiraler is a must-have. It's like having a mini drafting studio in your pocket. Bolt cutters are essential, but sometimes you're wrestling with bolts in seriously awkward, cramped locations. That's where the WorkPro 200mm angle head compact bolt cutter steps in to save the day. The angled head design is pure genius, letting you reach bolts that straight bolt cutters simply can't access. Think about cutting fencing wire in corners, snipping rebar in tight forms, or breaking down metal structures in confined spaces. Despite its compact size, it packs serious cutting power for bolts, rods, and more. No more struggling or contorting yourself into impossible positions. This tool is all about leverage and accessibility where you need it most. Soldering used to mean being tethered to a bulky benchtop station. Not anymore. The TBK Tube 11 Portable Mini Soldering Station is a game changer for anyone working with electronics on the go. This thing is tiny but mighty, packing professional soldering power into a truly portable form factor. It heats up incredibly fast, features precise temperature control with a digital display, and is powered via USB. Perfect for field repairs, drone building, model making, or just freeing up bench space in your workshop. Don't let the size fool you. This is a serious soldering tool for serious makers and repair technicians. It's proof that big power can come in seriously small packages. How many times have you been switching between screwdrivers and bits, hunting for the right size? The Chardon. Ratcheting 13-in-1 multi-bit screwdriver aims to end that tool juggling act forever. This screwdriver packs 13 different bits right inside the handle, easily accessible and quickly changeable. Plus, the ratcheting mechanism makes driving screws faster and easier, reducing wrist strain. It's like having a whole screwdriver set condensed into a single, convenient tool. Perfect for household repairs, furniture assembly, electronics work, and pretty much anything that involves screws. It's the ultimate grab-and-go screwdriver for efficiency and convenience. Pulling wires and cables through walls can be a nightmare of frustration and fishing around blindly. The Klein Tools SRS 56037 magnetic wire and cable pulling system turns that nightmare into a breeze. This ingenious system uses powerful magnets to guide your wire or cable exactly where you need it to go, even through insulated walls or around obstacles. No more struggling with fish tape alone or damaging walls trying to find your way. The magnetic leader attaches securely, making it easy to pull wire from point A to point B, saving you time, effort, and damage. For electricians and anyone running low-voltage wiring, this tool is a true problem solver. It's like having X-ray vision for wire runs. For those quick screw-driving jobs around the house, lugging out a heavy drill is overkill. The Skill Twist 2.0 Rechargeable 4-volt screwdriver is designed for exactly those moments. This compact, rechargeable screwdriver is incredibly handy for light-duty tasks like assembling furniture, tightening cabinet hardware, or installing light fixtures. The twist handle design makes it intuitive and easy to control, and it comes with a handy bit kit right in the handle. USB rechargeable, it's always ready to go for those small but frequent tasks. It's the perfect step up from manual screwdrivers without the bulk of a full-size drill. Think of it as your everyday go-to screwdriver, upgraded. For model makers, jewelers, electronics enthusiasts, or anyone doing ultra-precise drilling, the Aeromax DC5 Plus is in a league of its own. This isn't just a drill, it's a carbon fiber electric drill pen designed for ultimate control and precision. It's whisper quiet, features variable speed, and can be used freehand or with its optional benchtop press for even greater accuracy. Think about drilling pilot holes into delicate materials, crafting intricate models, or working on circuit boards with surgical precision. The carbon fiber construction keeps it lightweight and durable, while the precise motor gives you incredible control. It's the ultimate tool for miniature masterpieces and detailed work. How many times have you struggled to read a standard tape measure when you're working overhead or in awkward positions? Gator Tape 2.0 solves that problem with a brilliantly simple innovation, a top-reading digital display. No more bending over or contorting yourself to see the measurement mark. The digital readout is right on top, clear, and easy to read from any angle. Plus, it's built tough with a durable housing and a wide blade for stability. It's still a regular tape measure when you need it to be, but the digital top readout makes it so much easier to use in countless situations. For anyone who uses a tape measure regularly, this is a serious upgrade in convenience and usability. Hanging pictures, mirrors, or shelves straight and level used to be a test of patience and often involved multiple attempts. The Onculge multifunctional hanging tool streamlines the entire process. This clever tool combines a level, picture hanger, and marking tool into one unit. You can easily find studs, level your picture, mark your nail location, and hang it perfectly straight, all with this one gadget. No more fumbling with separate levels, stud finders, and pencils. It works on various wall types and makes picture hanging a breeze, even for large or heavy items. Sanding can create a huge mess of dust that gets everywhere. The Hide Tools 9-inch dust-free. Sander is designed to keep your workspace cleaner and your lungs happier. This hand sander features a built-in dust collection system that connects to your vacuum, sucking up dust right at the source as you sand. No more clouds of dust billowing out. It's ideal for drywall, wood, and other surfaces, providing a cleaner, healthier sanding experience. For DIYers and pros alike, reducing dust exposure is a huge benefit. Breathe easier and sand cleaner with this smart tool. Link in the description. Anyone who's worked on engines knows the dread of seized fuel injectors. The Hazet Injector Impact Extractor is a specialized tool designed to break free even the most stubborn injectors without damage. Using compressed air and impact force, it delivers controlled pulses to loosen injectors that are stuck solid due to corrosion or carbon buildup. This tool is a lifesaver for mechanics, preventing broken injectors and saving hours of painstaking manual removal. It's a professional-grade solution for a common and frustrating engine repair challenge. For serious engine work, this tool is an investment that pays off in time and hassle saved. Working in tight engine bays or cramped machinery spaces requires tools that can adapt. The WorkPro 4-in-1 Flexible Sharp Tail Socket Ratchet Wrench is designed for exactly those situations. This wrench combines a flexible head, a sharp tail for aligning bolts, and 4 common socket sizes all in one tool. The flexible head lets you access fasteners from awkward angles, while the sharp tail helps you line up bolts in blind spots. No more fumbling with multiple wrenches or struggling to reach hidden bolts. It's a compact, versatile wrench that's perfect for mechanics, technicians, and anyone working in confined spaces. Cutting insulation material with a utility knife can be messy and inaccurate. The Minova Tool KD58 Insulation Material Cutting Machine is a game-changer for insulation installers and DIYers. This machine provides clean, precise cuts in various types of insulation, from foam board to fiberglass batts. It ensures square edges and consistent widths, making insulation installation faster, easier, and more professional looking. No more ragged edges or uneven insulation. It's also safer and more efficient than using hand tools for large insulation jobs. Need a level that you can easily stash in your pocket but still handle a variety of leveling tasks? The Onkel DJT Multifunction Foldable Level is the answer. This ingeniously designed level folds down to a super compact size for easy carry. But when unfolded, it's a fully functional level with horizontal and vertical vials, plus added features for marking and measuring. Perfect for quick level checks around the house, job site, or workshop, it's always ready when you need it without taking up space. It's the ultimate in portable leveling convenience and versatility. Corroded battery terminals can cause all sorts of electrical problems in vehicles and equipment. The Hazat battery pole and terminal brush makes quick work of cleaning that corrosion and keeping your connections solid. This brush features both internal and external cleaning brushes designed to fit battery posts and terminals perfectly. It quickly removes corrosion buildup, ensuring good electrical contact and extending battery life. A simple tool, but essential for vehicle maintenance and preventing electrical issues caused by poor battery connections. Keep your batteries performing at their best with this handy brush. Need to permanently mark metal parts with serial numbers, logos, or identification marks quickly and consistently? The SUMAKE Pneumatic Stamping Tool NS106 brings serious stamping power to your fingertips. Powered by compressed air, this tool delivers precise and forceful stamps on metal surfaces. It's ideal for industrial marking, parts identification, and custom metalwork. Think about marking tools, components, or products with clear, permanent markings. This tool provides consistent stamping depth and clarity, essential for professional and industrial applications. For heavy-duty marking, this pneumatic tool is a powerhouse. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.